Page 28, Gymnastics. They say round hand shape, I say relaxed hand shape. If you just relax, the hands have a natural curl. That's it. That's as rounded as I care to get. Sometimes you have to adjust it for things, but the starting point is always there. They also say this piece only uses tonic and dominant notes. I'm assuming you're learning these words in the method book. Otherwise, you don't know what tonic and dominant is and you're lost already. So just quickly, so you understand, we're using white keys. The tonic is the first key. In this case, it'd be a C. Because when we use white keys, we go C to C. There's more to it than that. I'm keeping it simple here. C to C. So the tonic is simply the C, and the dominant is the fifth step. I go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what they're saying is this thing only uses C's and G's. They could have just said that, but they're getting fancy. Tonic and dominant. Ooh, okay. Gymnastics. I look it over. It's 1 page long. Treble bass clef, 4/4 time signature, and all quarter notes and half notes and dotted half note. Okay. And we're moving a little bit. The left hand is here, C position. The right hand is here in C position. And you got to move the left hand over the right sometimes to play that C. But you're only using these notes, C's and G's. That's it. So it's 2. And as you're doing this, you got to get the left hand up here. That's what they mean by LH prepares left hand. In other words, you're moving up. Don't wait until you need to play it to go. Too late. You got to get up there. So 2, 3. 2, 3, and that's it. Last measure, you're playing 3 notes together. Hopefully you can do that okay. I hope. Now once I have the notes and rhythms, then I go through and make sure I can play it at least slowly, no hesitations. And then I add the articulation. And this is connected, but you can lift up at the end of each line. So at the second measure, when I go play the last note to go to the next line here, I'm going to lift up so there's a little silence there. Like taking a breath. Lift up. Now, if you don't like that, and I don't, then what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the first 2 lines together. I'm going to go all the way to the half notes in the second line and then lift up. So the second line was here at the end, then lift up. It's like a sentence. The first 2 lines were one musical thought. And then another one. So it's like there's 2 sentences, 2 phrases, 2 musical thoughts in here. So I'm just going to lift up at the end of the second line. Otherwise, I'm connecting it. After the articulation, then the dynamics. And MF, that's the only one they give you. I would suggest you also play this at very, very soft, because it's more difficult to play soft than it is MF. But moderately loud is just moderate. So the whole thing, play it really soft. How soft can you play? And that's because it's more difficult to play soft, so that's what you practice, because over time you get really good at it. You can also try all the different dynamics in between. Just make sure you keep a relaxed wrist here going. Natural accent, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Exaggerate them if you need to. Exaggerate them if you need to, but really you just want to feel them. And then the speed is just smoothly. Well, smoothly is not a speed. So that's articulation. Just somewhere in the middle. Your gymnastics, how fast, you're not going to go real slow. It's got a flow, but it's not going to go real fast. It's like you fall all over yourself. Just somewhere in the middle. Keep it nice and even. Once you can play this at least slowly with no hesitations, let's play it together and check you have the correct notes and so forth. I'm not doing dynamics, there aren't any. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4.